Handling cash. It can be a business traveler's worst nightmare, especially in Nigeria. But the introduction of mobile money promises more convenience. Ask Shinwo Shukoya, a director at the Protea Hotel in the Ikoyi Business District in Lagos. The hotel is now setting up the infrastructure that will allow guests to spend all they want without pulling out a note.
Well, we feel for our guests and clients here that it's a wonderful, convenient way to make transactions. Mobile money is very safe and secure and provides our guests with value-added services that they can utilize. For us, mobile money is a great way to pay some of our staff. It provides the ability for the staff to be paid in a simple and secure way. We feel that for our guests and clients, that this kind of service will entice them to come here where paying for goods and services is easy and secure.
Some analysts say the uptake of GSM mobile technology in Nigeria, coupled with the underdevelopment of the banking sector, have set the stage for the explosion of mobile money.
Is the push to reach more of the rural population in Nigeria, which constitute most of the unbanked in Nigerian population. And branch expansion has been seen as not very cost effective in doing that. And what mobile banking has done in East Africa is seen as a plan to follow.
The central bank is very keen to promote a cashless society. To that end, I believe that next June 2012, when they introduce limits for cash withdrawal from 150,000 naira per day for an individual and 1 million naira per day per company, this will be a huge incentive for people to adopt mobile money. A number of countries, they say, well, why don't you just use internet banking? That seems to forget the fact that 80% of Nigerians do not have bank accounts. So domestic staff, hotel staff, construction workers, casual workers, people in temporary or in temporary employment or maybe not in day-to-day employment. Those people you'll be able to pay with a mobile wallet.
If you think about the kind of productivity gains the West got when the internet came and how commerce came online, now we've had the internet here, but we haven't had a way to pay for transactions, right? Mobile money is going to drive the change in commerce, and it's going to merge the online and the brick and mortar world, right, in Nigeria. So now people will be able to pay for their transactions ahead.
The success of mobile money has already been experienced in other parts of Africa, thanks to the launch of Safaricom's mobile money platform M-Pesa in 2007. In Kenya alone, M-Pesa has over 13 million users, or about a third of the population.
M-Pesa has been one of the major cash cows for Safaricom ever its inception in 2007. And looking at the year when Safaricom really did well last year, that was 2010, it made 21 billion in terms of profit. About 25 to 40% of this was M-Pesa and M-Pesa related revenues. Looking this year also, they made about 18.5 billion. That in a large part is from M-Pesa. And looking at Safaricom as a company, it's reached its maturity level in the product life cycle, and all they can have now is to be innovative and to also rely on what they had before as their major revenue streams, M-Pesa being the best over there. All you need is your mobile phone and a SIM card, which is free. So most Kenyans find this the most convenient way to do business, the most convenient way to send money. The only problem is maybe for Safaricom, it's no longer a reserve for them. We have other companies, we have all other telephony companies with their own equivalent. We have Airtel Kenya with Zap Money, we have Ucash for ESA, and we also have Telcom Orange with their own. So as I said earlier, Safaricom must be innovative in order to make sure that this innovation, which they brought into the market, outlives the test of time.
Discerning investors are already making a play for the Nigerian market. Even before the central bank granted the 11 operating licenses to mobile payment providers, foreign private equity firms and venture capitalists had already started pouring in the cash.
Goodwell Microfinance is a local firm, Alethea Capital, that has partnered with a Dutch-based firm to focus on financial inclusion across West Africa. And that sort of partnership, I think, works a lot, where we see foreigners partnering with local companies who know who have feet on the ground and understand what's going on. And we're also fortunate to have an investment from Tim Draper, who is a renowned venture capitalist known for his investments in Skype, in Hotmail and also in Baidu, the Chinese search engine. And Tim's been a great supporter of ours even before the license came out, as is Goodwell before the license came out. We believe the Nigeria opportunity alone is more than $1 billion market opportunity in 5 years. And really, it's about providing a service to the entire population, not just the unbanked, even the banked, and simplifying for the banking sector how to bring the unbanked into the banking fold.
Notwithstanding its potential, Nigeria will present some common and unique challenges.
What we're hoping is to see improved network coverage across the country so that there's a seamless sending.
To really get this business right, our goal is to have an agent down the street from every customer in Nigeria, right? And that means that we have to put feet on the ground to go and recruit those agents and to manage those agents. Because it's not just about recruiting them, but it's managing them. And that's actually the tough work of this business. And we think that's where people will be differentiated.
Nigeria has been slow off the mark and behind some of its African counterparts in attracting investments into mobile money. But given the large population and underdevelopment of the banking sector, most analysts think returns should be worth it.